Hi everyone, this is Diyosa and welcome back to my channel, Diyosa Life TV. So today, obviously, we're gonna unbox this, and based on the description box and the title, you already know what is inside. I'm very excited, guys, because I've been a fan of makeup for a long time now. Well, not on a really long time, but for quite some time now. But this is my first MAC purchase. Okay, MAC is a very popular brand. A lot of people start off with MAC. For me, this is my first purchase. I've already had like yung dual powder foundation, if I'm not mistaken, MAC Fix. But I bought it with a GC that was given to me for an event. So this is the first time, actual first time that I bought something from MAC with my own money. And I decided to buy this because yun nga, I'm trying to support. This is obviously not a local brand, but this is a collaboration with a very popular Filipino YouTuber who's based in the USA. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you what's inside. Dami ko nang sinabi, guys, but ayan. So, yan. So, this is the MAC. Okay, let's put that away. Ayan, this is the MAC Patrick Starrr collaboration. So this is the second collection of Patrick Starrr with MAC. This is already the okay, I have a código here. Ta-da! So this is the MAC Patrick Starrr Floral Realness Face Kit. Ayan. So if you do not know who Patrick Starrr is, I'm just gonna put all his links down below. So just check him out. Check him out here on YouTube, of course, Patrick Starrr with 3 R's. And then also on Instagram, basta guys, he's a really fabulous guy. Obviously, I have already opened this box kasi nga to take photos, everything, syempre to take a look. Yan, so this is the price, guys. It's 3,000. Guys, I hope patient kayo sa akin kasi, ayan, first time ko gagamitin yung cam ko for something like this. So anyway, I got this. I'm very happy because this is the first Patrick Starrr collection to arrive in Davao City via the MAC store, of course, at Brisa Ayala Mall. It's in the ground floor. Thank you to Sir Ryan for helping me out. So ito yun siya. And let's open it. So I have already opened this to take photos and everything, pero hindi ko pa siya na-swatch. So right now, we're gonna do unboxing and then a bit of swatching. So there are 4 items inside. So binuksan ko na siya, guys, and then binalik ko siya sa packaging niya para makita niyo kung ano talaga yung itsura niya when you buy one. So it says here, so ito siya yung parang face guide. And then it says here at the back, ayan, may nakalagay sa likod, guys. Ayan. So it says here at the back, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy, XOXO Patrick Starrr. So ayan yung mga ano niya, accounts. I'm not sure if you can read it because it's in white. So it's Patrick Starrr with 3 R's for Instagram. Hashtag MAC Patrick Starrr, of course, for this collection. So you get Patrick Starr's spring look. Check out how to video at youtube.com/user/thepatrickstarr. So ayan. So the collection that I got is Me So Chic. So there are 2 collections. So I took a lot of photos and videos when I visited the MAC store here in Davao. Ayan, para makita ninyo yung difference ng 2. So it's here in Davao na, guys. So this one is Me So. Nalito na ako. Me So Chic. On the other side, so this one, Me So Chic. So this is the set that I got. Look at that. Oh, nice. ayan guys. So now you see that there are two collections. There's Me So Sleek and Me So Chic. Me So Sleek na collection is brighter, okay? Ang Me So Chic naman is more nudes, but I chose this specifically because of the eyeshadow palette, which I'm gonna show you in a while. Let's proceed to opening the 4 products. So ito siya, ganito siya, nakabalot siya in tissue wrap. I'm not too sure guys. So there's one. Okay, let's put the guide there, over there, sa gilid. And then, there's 2. Okay, oops. Yan. 2 items already. And then I have 3. And then 4. So actually, so this is the 4th one. So even if you have like 4 items only, it's practically 7 products because in the eyeshadow palette there are 4 colors inside, so there are 4 eyeshadows. I will open that later. Let's go to the first. So susundin ko na lang yung kung paano siya nakalista dito sa website ng MAC. So this is maccosmetics.com of course. If you buy it online or if you buy it in the USA, it's $49.50. So ayan. So the full description says a complete kit of products for the entire face that includes a lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow ×4, and powder blush duo. So available in 2 waves, the on-trend hues of Me So Fleek, so that's the other one, and the natural everyday shades of Me So Chic. The box and products within are all specially designed in pink packaging with a kaleidoscopic floral motif and Patrick Starr's signature. So ito yun guys. So kaleidoscopic, and then lahat sila may kaleidoscopic guys. Ayan. And then lahat sila may signature ni Patrick Starrr. So let's show. Ayan. Ayan. So I really like the packaging. The packaging in itself, feeling ko sobrang sulit na nung binili ko. And then of course we have here 4 items. So the first one is the lippy. So this is lipstick, and the name of this shade is Sweet Mamastarrr. So yung sa first collection, yung winter collection, yung pinaka, if I'm not mistaken, the best-selling shade is Mamastarrr. Syempre dedicated to Mamastarrr. So before we proceed, ayan, papakita ko muna. So it says here it's a mid-tone neutral pink, and then in it says it's amplified, so I guess it has very intense. It's very intense. So ito yun siya guys. I'm gonna show you. So let's use the MAC bag para ma-focus yung mga products. So ayan siya guys. I'm happy about this kasi neutral siya, but it's not boring. Well, I guess a lot of depende naman yun sa person, diba, how you describe boring, but let's try to swatch it. So creamy guys. Ayan. So ayan na siya. Ayan. Okay. Forgive me if hindi masyado maganda tong vlog na to, because it's my first time not to use this camera and I'm still adjusting. And then the next item is the lip gloss. This one. It's the lip gloss. So let's use that one. So this one is the lip gloss in Mamastarrr Kiss. So it's sheer nude with pearl. So this one is sheer nude with pearl. So let's open this. Ta-da! Ooh. You know, I like the wand. It's yung wand pa lang, when I opened it kanina to take photos of the product, na-impress ako sa wand pa lang. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ang hirap mag-focus. Now I get why they always do something like this. Oh. Ayan. So, ayan siya. And then, the powder blush duo. So, this is the powder blush duo. Ayan, that's the packaging guys. Let's do like that again. So, let's open it. Ayan. I love it. And may mirror siya, guys. Ta-da! So, there are 2 shades. The duo is called I'm Not Blushing. So, there's Pure Peach, which has satin finish. And then there's Capri Bronze, which is matte. So again, there's Pure Peach and Capri Bronze. So let's try to swatch the two. Alam mo, it pains me. It pains me so much na binabawasan ko siya. So ito yun. Ta-da! And I forgot pala to swatch the lip gloss. So let's do that as well. Sa gilid nung... So these are both Mamastarrr. Ay, ang ganda niya, guys. So it's sheer nude with pearls. So ito yon. So sobrang sheer niya. Sobrang sheer niya. I don't think it's showing up, but I'll try to take photos of this. Yan. Guys, dito pa lang sa apat na to, guys. Sulit ka na. So, let me correct myself. I earlier said that it's practically you have 7 products. It's actually 8 products kasi 4 eyeshadows, 2 yung blush, and then the 2 lip products. So, you can get a complete look, guys. Kung gugustuhin mo. I think kaya naman. Huwag ka na lang magkilay. At saka mag-eyeliner and mascara. Let's proceed to my favorite. This is the eyeshadow quad. Yes, it's the eyeshadow quad. Again, with the kaleidoscope floral design and the signature of Patrick Starrr. Yes, it's called Stay With Me. A very interesting name. So, I hope that if I use this, you will stay with me, guys. Charot! Ba't ayaw niya mabukas? Kanina nabuksan ko na to eh. Ayun. Yan. So, ayan siya. The 4 shades. Tada! Okay. So, alam niyo naman, I love purple. Yes, and it suits my skin tone well. So, I'm lucky that way. So, the first shade is Daddystarrr. So, if we have Mamastarrr over here, dalawa yung Mamastarrr natin. We have Daddystarrr, which is the muted pink with pearls. So, it's supposedly matte. This one, it's supposedly pink, but I think it's kinda purple as well. So, saan natin siya? Dito na lang siya. Dito ko na lang siya sige, dito na lang. Kaya natin yan. Ayan. So, and then the second one, you have Yes, which is a mid-tone dusty violet with Velux Pearl or Velux Pearl. So, ito yon. Yan. The second one. Tada! Nakikita nyo ba, guys? I hope nakikita nyo. And then you have Queen Patrick, which is bright purple. Na frosted yung... Ito yun. Yan. Frosted. Tada! Ayan. Frosted. And then finally, we have Nuit, which is the black purple na matte. So ito yun. Black purple. The darkest, obviously. Grabe guys, nakikita nyo ba yung packaging? It's so nice. So, ayan guys. So, lalapit ako sa cam ha. Ayan. So, this is Daddystarrr. Yan. It barely shows up on my skin, but it's there. And then, you have Yes, which is mid-tone dusty violet. Queen Patrick, which is bright purple. And Nuit, which is black purple. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yan. Ito siya. So, ayan, as you can see, you have a range of colors, light to dark. It has different finishes from, you have matte, you have Velux Pearl, and you have frosted. So dalawa yung matte, guys. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. Again. So, ayan. I will just take photos of everything. Sorry, I'm not very good in swatching, but I hope you get my point. There you go, guys. I think it's very sulit kasi for the price of 3,100 pesos, you practically get 8 products. And I've heard that if you buy products similar to these individually, the total cost would be more than 6,000 pesos. So buy na kayo ng set, guys. And you know, this is not sold individually. The products are not sold individually. I highly recommend this stuff. You know, I've never used any, I haven't used lippies from MAC. I mean, I think I've borrowed or somebody used it on me. And then eyeshadow and the powder duo. But so far, I'm liking everything. I'm not a very good product reviewer. I'm just here to tell you. I'm just here to show you what it's all about and what's inside the box. So, ayun guys. I hope I've convinced you to buy it. Again, if you're in Davao City, you can buy this at the MAC Cosmetics store at the first floor or the ground floor of Abriza Ayala Mall. So it's very, hindi ka mawawala guys. Talagang mahanap mo siya kaagad. It's near the grocery and it's near one of the more popular clothing brands over there. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for me to try out or videos for me to do. I hope that you are patient with me guys because this is my first time to use this camera. Please do click on the bell button so that you will be updated if I have new videos or maybe I do have future giveaways in the very near future. Who knows, right? So thank you for watching. Visit my blog, watch more of my videos, of course, and follow me on social media. Thank you guys. Bye everyone.